All right, we are here in Canmore, and I'm really excited for this trail because it's a trail that I've never done before. It's called Carrot Creek Pass, and this one's going to be interesting because it's a bit of a more difficult and a longer trail than I usually do. It's around 11 kilometers, and it's a moderate difficulty on all trails, so I'm really excited for this one. It's supposed to have some nice views and a waterfall as well. And yeah, this is the first hike I'm doing in a while, so I'm very excited, and it's a beautiful weather.
Mountains cold, to dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away ere break of day to find our long forgotten goal.
Yeah, I've heard this trail is pretty difficult in that you need to keep the map on to find where you gotta go. Otherwise you can get lost easy, just completely in the woods here. This is a real hike, no paved paths today. Awesome. I love this trail because there's barely anyone on it right now. Just amazing getting out in nature. Awesome so far. Still a long way to go.
The pines were roaring on the height. The winds were moaning in the night. The fire was red, it flaming spread. The trees like torches blazed with light.
The hike scenery has totally changed. Now we're in this dense forest and we can hear water, but we can't see it anywhere. So we just gotta keep going and following our intuition. Subhanallah, look at these rocks here. Wow. This is just absolutely phenomenal. Oh, you really just got to make your own way through this hike.
We're on the right track.
I hope so. All right, we made it to the water. There's the forest behind us, and we made it down to the water. Nothing beats finding fresh, flowing water on a hike. All right, Dhuhr time has come around, and we just gotta make wudu here in the fresh mountain water. All right, we did our wudu, time to pray, and then continue the adventure.
So beautiful. The planet stars go floating past, obeying His will. To Allah belongs the earth and sky, so wonderful. Oh, the oceans wide, the mountains high, the animals. Looking at the sky, so many million miles over space and time, there is only one God. From a treetop, watch the sun start through a dewdrop. There is only one God. There is only one God. Praise be to Him. My life is His. Glory be to Him. La ilaha illallah.
All right, we came to a dead end in the path here. It seems like we're gonna have to cross this stream. Ugh. I've already tried before and got my shoes and my socks wet, so let's try to do this strategically. Whoa. Oh. All right. All right, got through that one. Oh, and there's like some sand on this side. Oh, that's pretty cool. There's a rope tied across here to get to the other side. This could be dangerous if I fall in. But let's go ahead. All right. Tight rope. All right. Let's grab on here and say Bismillah. All right. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. Woo. Oh. Woo. Here we go. And we have reached the finish. Ah, there we go. Safely across. Woo! So we're turning back. Yeah, we didn't complete the hike today, but we got to see the rope. We got to see those cool rocks, and it was a pretty nice hike. So yeah, definitely come back here and try to do the whole thing. But yeah, right now this was an awesome day to get back into hiking.